Hello, my name is Akshat.
Hello, my name is Preet.
Hello, my name is Khush.
Hello, my name is Margesh.
Hello, my name is Nisargi.
In our third semester data structure course, we were assigned to make 6 projects using various data structures. So we have made a departmental store using array, a playlist using stack, a hotel management system using queue, a mailbook system using linked list, a maze game using trees, and we have solved the traveling salesman problem using graphs. So in this video, we will be explaining you departmental store project, the playlist project, and the maze game.
Now we are starting with our first code, departmental store billing system. In this project, we created a departmental store where customer could purchase everything they wanted, including fruits, electronics, clothes, and medicines.
We have designed several functions for certain choices. And once a user selects one, he is given the opportunity to purchase a variety of items. The final step display a cart with everything the user chooses.
So here we are with our code, departmental billing system. First of all, I will show you the output of the code, and then we will move to the main core code. That is the structure, the methods, and the main function. So here the output is your name will be asked here. I've entered my name. Then there are 5 departments that we have added. You can add more also if you want. Fruits, medicines, electronics, stationery, clothes. Suppose I want to choose fruits, so I have to let one here. In fruits department, there are 4 sub options: mango, orange, apple, pineapple. I have selected mango if I want. Then you can see here the cost of the mango is 100, and the cart amount, that is the final amount, will be shown into your bill. It's also shown here is 100. Then if you want to purchase from another department, so enter 0 here. So you can purchase from another department. Okay. Then the statement has been asked if you want to buy from another department, so you have to enter 1. So I've entered 1. I want to purchase the medicines for suppose, so I've entered 2. Then you can see there are paracetamol, antacids, inhalers, bandages, sunscreen. Suppose I want to purchase paracetamol, so I've entered 1. Here you can see paracetamol is added to my cart, and the total cart amount has been updated. That is the 100 earlier for mango, and the 100 plus 100 will be 200. The total cart amount will be 200 updated amount. Then suppose I want to purchase from another department again. So I've entered the 0 here, and from another department 1 here. And suppose I want to buy clothes. So I will go to 5 clothes. Then I want to buy shirts. So I click one shirts here. As you can see here again, the total Ghana amount has been updated, and that shirt cost has been shown here, which is 1200, which is added into your cart. Now I want to final build this system, or a checkout system we have created will be shown. Uh, I will show you how the checkout has been created. Here has been asked enter 1, and if not entered 0 to proceed for payment. Suppose I want to proceed for payment, I will enter 0 here. You can see the checkout system in which we have created a total cart or total amount of things that we have purchased, which is total items selected, the name of the person whom this bill is concerned, the items available in the cart, that is the mango of rupees 100, paracetamol of rupees 100, and shirt of rupees 200, 1200. The bill amount will be shown, total bill amount, and thank you and visit systems and visits and end quotations will be shown, and these are the name of the contributors of this code. First of all, I have shown you the output. So now we will discuss, or we will see our code structure and methods and main method that we have created. So first of all, we have included all the things which is necessary to include. Then we have created the structure in which we have created the various variables and various arrays of cost and items that we have required according to code. Then, as you have shown in the output, as you have seen in the output, that we have created 5 departments: fruits, stationaries, electronics, and etc. So here our first method or first department that we have created, which is fruit, in which we have created various pointers, which are helps to point the different variables. In which we have created subgroups: mango, orange, apple, and pineapple. So we have created if else system here, in which if you enter m equals to 1, then mango will be selected and its cost will be added to a pointer, which is a cart pointer, uh, in which and the final cost pointer in which is helpful to us to show the final amount that you have seen in the card. Similarly, of if we selected m equal to 2, then you can see orange. M equal to 3, you can see apple, and m equals to 4, you can see pineapple. The code type and things are same, just the name are updated as per your concern or as per your choices. Similarly, we have created the same department and same method for electronic devices. Similarly for medicines, and similarly for our clothes, then similarly for stationaries, and similarly for similarly all the five departments has been created. Now the main function in which we have called the things.
Now, coming to the main method, we have made a several arrays for various parts. And after that, we have made a switch case to let the user choose products. Finally, a cart is formed in which a price of the items that the user has chosen is displayed. And after the successful purchase, a final message is displayed. Thank you for shopping. Do visit again.
In second program, we have created a project that uses a stack to create a playlist, which also operates in a last in first out principle. Here songs are played one at a time, and we also have created a function that allows us to remove songs from the stack.
The code can also indicate whether the stack is full or empty when adding or playing the song from the stack. Every song has a set amount of time allotted to it. When a playlist is created, it shows the total time required to hear every song. Good for the playlist. So we can show the following functions. We can view available songs. We can add a song to the playlist. We can view our current playlist. We can also delete a song from the playlist, and we can also search a song. So now we will view all the songs. So at the moment, 5 songs are available. So now we will return to the main menu. Now we will add one song to the playlist. So we can add any song from the available songs. So we'll add song 2. Now we will add another song. So we'll select song 2. So as the song is already present in the playlist, it will not be added again. We'll add another song. We'll add song 3. So now the song has been added. So now we will return back to the main menu. So we'll enter 0. So to return to menu, we'll enter 1. So now we will view the current playlist. So we will enter 3. So there are 2 songs in our playlist. So the name of the songs and the duration is displayed, but the total duration is also displayed for for the total playlist. So now we will return to the main menu. So now we will delete a song from our playlist. So we will delete song 2, which is first option. So now the song is deleted from the playlist. Now we will return to the main menu. Now we will view our current playlist again. So now we can see the song is deleted from the playlist. Only one song is visible. Now we will search a song. We will return to the main menu. Now we will search a song, which is fifth function. So we will search song 3. So this song is present in the playlist. So it shows the song. So now we will return to the main menu. Now we will exit. This ends the code.
Okay.
Take start.
Okay. So I will explain the code now. So as we know that stack has various functions such as pop, push, and traverse. So if we want to add a song in the playlist, we use push function. Here this if conditions check that whether the playlist is full or not. This else if condition checks that the selected song is added or not. and uh, and we have also created a for loop which checks that whether the selected song is already in the playlist or not. Now if we want to delete a song from the playlist, we used a pop function. So here we can see that if we have selected this function, but there is no song in the playlist, then this if condition will print that playlist is empty. And if it is not empty, then this else condition will remove that song from the playlist. And to search the song, we have created search function which will traverse to the whole playlist and see that if the song is actually present or not.
So for the third program, we have made a game using binary tree. The game's name is Maze Runner. It is a multiplayer game. A maze is generated with an exit point at a certain node. The player which reaches the exit point in minimum number of steps wins the game. The maze also has dead ends and the game ends if a player reaches there. The winner is displayed in a .txt file using file handling, and the layout of the maze is also displayed. So here is a layout for the maze we have generated for the game. The user starts at the node A and he has the option to go either at left node or either at right node. Also the game allows undo action, which is only available once per session. So if I am the user and I choose to go left, so from A we will go to B. Now the user will again get an option to go to left node or to right node. So if I choose right node, which is null, so it is a dead end, and so at this point the game will be over for that player. Now if the second user wants to play and he goes to the right node, so he reaches at C, but he wants to go at A again, so he will use the undo option, so he can go again at A. So this is the test case for the game, and we have set the exit node at E, so whichever player reaches E node in minimum number of steps, that person will win. So now I will show the output of our maze game. We have given the instruction you have to reach at E to win the game. Since it is a multiplayer game, we can select how many players we wish to play the game. So let's enter 3. We are player 1 now and we are standing at A. So suppose if we want to go right, so we'll enter 0. But now I feel that I should have started from A again. So I will use the undo function. So I will enter 2. Now I will go left, so I will enter 1. Then I am feeling we should go right, so I'll enter 0. But since it is a dead end, I lost this round, so I'll start again as player 2. So now I am at A again. Now I want to go right, I will enter 0. Then I want to go right again, so I'll enter 0 again. So now I'm at H. I want to go left, I'll enter 1. But it is dead end again. So now I'm player 3 and I'll start again. I want to go right, 0. Now I'm at C. Let's go left, press 1. We have reached the exit point, and then we won. So this output will be displayed in a text file, which is game.txt. So player 3 won and has score 2, means that I completed the game in 2 steps, and this was the maze. So basically layout of where the exit point is. So now we'll be explaining the functioning of the code. So firstly we have created a structure for the binary tree. In that we have a item and we have left and right nodes. Then we have created a function which is create node. So it will allocate the memory for the node of a binary tree. Then we have in-order traversal code, so it will help us to know the layout of the maze which we have created. Then we have insert left function and insert right functions. These are basically for creating the maze only, wherever the items are there. Then our main code is in the main function. So for that we have created a file handling pointer fp. Then we have various variables for storing the steps and score, flag, etc. So firstly we have created the tree which is hard coded. So we can highlight this insert left, insert right things. So this is the maze. Yeah, this is the maze. Then since it is a multiplayer game, we can choose how many players we want to enter. So the code is for that, entering number of players. Then based on the number of players, that many times the code will run. So here it is displayed, you are player 1 2 3 etc. That will be the printf function. Then we have a while loop which will work on the choices we give it. So suppose we have given the instruction press 1 for left and 0 for right and 2 to undo. So suppose if I enter 1 and the root left is null, so we lose because it is a dead end point. Similarly, if our choice is 0 means right function and right node is null, so that is a dead end also. So that will be dead end and there will be loss. Then if the choice is 1, then we'll go left, then we'll go left. Then if it is choice 0, then we'll go right. And this root equal to previous is for the undo function. So suppose if we are standing at a, then we cannot go back since it is the root node. But if we are at b and we want to go at a, we can use the undo function for that. Then since we have set the exit node at e, so whenever the pointer reaches at e, we'll display the message you won and you are at e. So then we have created a score array for storing the steps of the player who win the game. So winner scores are displayed in the text file. So if we look at the text file now, yeah, so based on our output, player 3 won, so its score is displayed and along with it the maze also. So that is the final code.